here's the other thing that's important. Let's say for in the morning, you had your last meal at 6 o'clock at night. So by 8 o'clock in the morning, you're already fasting. You are catabolic. You are breaking your body down. Okay? There is no pool of amino acids in the body.
At
Fats,
14 hours.
Anytime there's no pool.
Right.
I mean, we have pools of fat. We have pools of carbohydrate. Okay? We have glycogen. We have stores of it. So if the body needs some, it can pull it out.
Right.
With proteins, there's no storage. It's of the flesh.
Right.
Okay? So by 16 hours, you are catabolic. The body needs amino acids. It's trying to do repairs on some stuff, and it's going to take your proteins and break them down and make new ones. So what I say to people is, as soon as you get up in the morning, take 10 grams of amino, because you want to spike that anabolic thrust of like, okay, we're going to repair now. Because we've been in an 18-hour or 16-hour time when we couldn't really repair very well. And that gets people going.